So today we're going to be trying out all of the products that came out for the Lush times Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle collection. I've got them all here ready to show you. So we've got Goongala shampoo bar, Green Machine bubble bar, the Peace Love and Pizza bath bomb, the Krang shower jelly, the Turtle Power body scrub, and of course the Four Brothers bath bomb. So this one is the Peace, Love and Pizza bath bomb. It has a bath bomb on the bottom, it has a bath melt as the cheese layer, I guess, and then it has a little soaperoni, which is meant to be a pepperoni. The pepperoni is turmeric latte scented, so it's a nice vanilla tonka vibe. The melt is full of lippe and mango butters to leave your skin feeling nice and moisturised. The scent overall for the product I feel was really quite fruity, a little bit lemony. I did really enjoy the scent of this one. So this one retails for £6.50. I do really like it. It's the cheaper one out of the collection. It makes really pretty bath art. The bath was a lovely, nice green colour. I did really enjoy this one. So this is one of the Four Brothers bath bombs. Here I have little Leonardo. I did have Donatello in my Lush kitchen box. I have done a little short on him. I'll link him down below if you want to go and watch that one as well. So they each have their own individual little soap inside that's relative to them. So spoiler alert, if you don't want to know the soaps, skip ahead 10 seconds. Leonardo is a little manhole cover, Donatello is the party wagon, Raphael has a skateboard, and Michelangelo has a little slice of pizza. So this guy fizzes away at a really nice pace. He doesn't go too quickly nor too slow. The little soap will pop out in a minute and you'll see that it's really cute. The bath art it makes is super duper lovely and it only gets better towards the end. I really enjoy the fact that obviously each turtle has their own colour bandana, so each turtle's bath art is different, which is a really nice touch. Are you ready? There it is. Here's my little manhole cover. So each brother does retail for £14 each. So it is a giant bath bomb and you get this soap inside, which I think is quite a substantial size soap, to be honest. Again, the bath art is super lovely and it's not even done yet. We're going to get crushing some of them because I've got two halves here and they need to be crushed. This is Avo Bath scented, so it's a really sort of lemony, fruity scent, really refreshing, a really good scent overall. It also contains rapeseed oil and coconut oil, so you've got a bit of moisturisation in there as well, which is really nice for the skin. Some of the other ingredients include lemongrass and bergamot oil. Next up, we've got the Green Machine bubble bar, so this is bathos scented. So in here you've got violet, rose, jasmine, ylang ylang, I always struggle with that one, and bergamot. So this is a very sort of green smelling scent. It's a bit earthy as well. If you do like those green, fresh, earthy smelling scents, then this is definitely the one for you. I took a little bit off the end. I didn't use too much, to be honest. I've still got loads left. I popped it in my little sieve under the cold tap and ran it just until it disappeared. I didn't use any more than what I showed you. I could have made more bubbles by blasting the taps, but I didn't want to. That's enough for me. A really nice bubble bar overall. Next up, we've got the Krang shower jelly. I'm super excited for this guy. He's so funny. Just look at him. So he is one of the villains in Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. I do apologise for what my little Krang looks like because I have demoed him already in a short and some of his tentacles did fall off, but never mind. So he's armless at the moment. But he's a really lovely scent. He is conga scented, so he smells really sweet and berryish, and I cannot tell you how good this smells. So it's full of bergamot, davana, almond and vanilla. It really does smell phenomenal. If you get a chance to smell this in the shops, I would highly recommend it. He also contains carrageenan extract, so it will make your skin nice and supple and soft and smooth, which is just what you want. So you're going to smell like berries and you're going to have super soft skin. Who wouldn't want that? We love this guy. Next up, we've got the Turtle Power body scrub. Again, I have used this one, so I apologise for what it looks like. This is really nice though. It contains fine sea salt and bamboo stem extract, and these work together to gently exfoliate the skin. And then when I tell you that this has so many butters in that I can't even list them, it is full of butters. It's got a lippe, mango, maru, there's coconut oil in there. There's so much in there. Okay, I did just list a few of them, but there are more. I would really recommend this. It left my skin feeling silky smooth and it smells just like sultana. So if you like sultana, you're probably going to like this one. So lastly, we've got the Goongala shampoo bar. Here's me looking like a weirdo. Let's just ignore me. This is actually really nice. This is Smuggler's Soul scented. So it's got the likes of sandalwood, vetiver and lemongrass oil in it. I've tried this Smuggler's Soul body lotion before and I wasn't a massive fan of the scent in that, but in this shampoo bar it's a little different and I do really like it. It doesn't smell too overpowering on the head either, which I do like. My scalp felt really clean but not too squeaky. My hair just felt soft and clean when I touched it, if that makes sense. So it's nice. I do really like this one. This one retails at £10. I really love this collection. There's not one product out of it that I don't like. My favourite, I think, is definitely the Krang or the body scrub. Do let me know what your guys' favourite is. I'll see you soon. Bye.